Hi everybody, thank you for joining my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get past the Ricoh loading screen. My printer obviously doesn't have that loading screen, but yours will say Ricoh and there'll be a little line going across it. And it constantly stays there even though you power the unit on or off. What we need to do, we need to load some recovery files into your SD card located behind the panel. I'm going to go ahead and turn mine off, and then we're going to remove that panel. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and open my top lid. And you're going to see two screws right up here, 1 and 2. We're going to go ahead and remove those two screws. Okay, once the screws are removed, we're going to carefully lower the panel forward. Okay, once you lower it, you're going to see a micro SD card right here. To remove that SD card, you're going to slide your finger upwards. That's going to unlock the card, and just carefully bring that card out. Next, we're going to put this card into a micro SD card reader and attach it to your computer. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to load those files. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my USB and micro SD card, and I'm going to put that into my computer. Okay, here it is. It's the F drive. I'm going to get my folder that says Ri1000 splash screen temporary fix. I'm going to extract this folder. Now, to get this zip folder, I'm going to add a link to the description below. That's going to take you to the website where you can actually download this folder here. Once it's extracted, I'm going to open up that folder. And I'm just going to grab those 3 files. I'm going to copy them and paste them into my SD card. Oops. There we go. Just transfer them over here. As you can see, I already loaded some before, so I press skip. Okay, so once these files are all loaded, I'm going to go ahead and eject my USB from my computer, and I'm going to take my SD card and reinsert it back into the touch panel. And just a reminder, guys, I will load a link on my description on where to get this zip folder from. Make sure you extract it, copy those files over. Please do not rename any of the files, just copy them straight over. And if after doing this your screen still is showing the loading screen, then your SD card might be corrupted. In that case, please contact Ricoh Tech Support. Have them open up a case with you. If you don't have a profile made in their system, please make a profile in their system. They will send you a replacement SD card. And they could also help you guys out if you guys have any issues or problems trying to do this whole process. Okay, once your files are loaded, we're going to carefully insert the SD card. So we're going to lift up a little bracket, and we're going to slide it into that bracket. We're going to lower this down, and then we're going to slide our finger downward to lock that back into place. Okay, next we're going to reattach the screws. And we're going to turn our machine on. The process should take about maybe 4 to 5 minutes. You'll see your screen turn blue, then it goes into like a salmon or pinkish color. Then it's going to give you a message to go ahead and select the settings icon. Go ahead and tap down that one time, and just give it a few minutes, and then your screen should recover back to its original screen. Now, in case it doesn't recover, please go ahead and contact Ricoh Tech Support. Especially if units on the warranty, start a case with them. You don't want to avoid any kind of warranties by doing this. I'll leave the information, the links to contact them below in the description. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, that's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Thank you.